Okay, let's try this. I'm really nervous. I may go blind. So this is the kit. It's actually laid out really nicely. Let's open it up. So in this eyelash lifting kit comes with mascara wands. Need those. Not sure what these are yet. And eye pads for under here. So that's really good. And then we got, oh hi honey. Hi dude. What am I doing? And then I have lifting magic wand. Let's see what magic wand looks like. Oh. Okay. Little scraper. Okay. This way. So I believe you're supposed to put this over your lashes. Well, that feels terrible. I hate that. Okay, can't blink. Wow, I hate this so much. So here's the lash perm glue. Oh my god, I need to fix this. I put it a little bit lower. It feels better. Still not great though. Okay, so here are the lift pads. Small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and large. I think these are based on your eyelid size. It's like a silicone. Here's small. Oh, that's huge. Is there a smaller one? Okay, so these actually say, I don't think you'll be able to see it. No. Well, it has the size right here. Shake this up. Okay. The glue. It says apply to the top. Wait a few seconds for it to get a little tacky. Okay. Oh my god, yes, it's working. Okay. Now I'm trying to make them straight because that's how they'll be permed. That may be the best for getting. Now to apply the solution. Number 1. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. You didn't fucking do it. Hey Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes. Now I'm putting on number 2. We wait another 8 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it off. They really don't tell you how to wipe it off, so just using this. While I'm here, I'm gonna dye them too. This is the dye. So comfortable. Okay, now you're supposed to release the curler. It's pretty stuck on there now. We'll see how it goes. So this is a wet Q-tip. Just trying to get my lashes off of here. Ooh. Okay, now how do we get the lashes off of here? Ooh, we did it. Now we're supposed to put on the nourishing solution for 5 minutes, which is number 3 here. Okay, so we're sticking that in here. You know, it doesn't really say to use this. Maybe I'm supposed to be using something else. But, oh well. Also, this thing can fuck off. I don't even know why you need this. I'm not gonna use it next time. Okay, now that that's been on for 5 minutes, we're gonna use the cleansing water. I'm gonna do it the same way. Just kind of brush them through. And then you're just supposed to let them dry. And we'll see what they look like. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was hard as fuck. I mean, let me get a little closer. I think you can tell. Maybe? I mean, anything's an improvement from these, really. They just go straight down. Here's a better close-up, I think. It didn't really stick as much as I would have hoped on these outer ones, but it is quite an improvement. I'm sure once I get better at it, it'll look even better. Maybe go a little bit faster. Getting that first pad, this, to stick on is an absolute nightmare. Wow. And then getting all of the residue lash glue off at the end, it was like, I'm surprised my eye, well, I mean, it is bright red for me scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing it off. Okay, so now after all that, I gotta go do the other eye. All right, here it is with both eyes done, and I am amazed at how much better this eye looks. I also didn't accidentally, on purpose, get it wet and put oil on it, so that might help, but can we appreciate that? Wow. That looks damn good. Whew. This one might as well be a before. This one looks so much better. Practice makes perfect.